Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into long division and how to implement it programmatically. Long division is a fundamental arithmetic operation that can be a useful exercise in understanding algorithms and how to break down a complex task into smaller, manageable steps. We'll cover the logic, provide a clear code example, in Python, but easily adaptable to other languages, and explain the different parts of the code in detail. Understanding long division, the process. Before we get to code, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the long division process as you learned it on paper. Here's a breakdown with an example. Example 789 divided by 13. 1 setup *, write the dividend, 789, inside the division bracket and the divisor, 13, outside to the left.